W's in the chat.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Big 40. Big 4.
What is it? We're at the beach club today, guys. Let's go. We at Adelon Beach Club today. As you can see, take a walk along this beach so you guys can see what's going on. It's actually a big ass property. Hope y'all can hear me too. They got boats. Got little private cabanas. Let's go over there actually. Hammocks you could thing. I think that's a little jacuzzi over there, but it's no water in there at the moment. Let's go back. Let's go on the beach this time. They're building something here, so next time we probably come back, this might be done. But this is a new beach club. It just opened in Cartagena, Colombia. Last time I was here, I went to Bora Bora Beach Club. That's a lit beach club too. I might throw some clips of it in the vlog. Let's go on the beach first. It's huge too. Got a little volleyball net over here. Got a little volleyball net. Maybe I might. I think I'm gonna do a chart breakdown here, and you know, let you guys know what's coming up this upcoming week on the charts. See what to look out for. The government, the U.S. government is shut down at the moment, so the markets reacted last week. A lot of whipsaw, a lot of wicks, but let's see how it works out. Excuse my hand. Thank you. DJ, about to tell him play some tunes, some American tunes. I know he playing the EDM, but you know, you gotta see what's going on. Toast up. Say hi to the vlog.
Stop using the chat.
Stop using the chat.